Hello there, my name is Ismas and I've just created this nature asset pack that is available on my Gumroad and Patreon page as a tier 3 Patreon that you can download right now. And I also have made a tutorial series on how to make these assets. If you don't want to buy them directly as Patreon, you can just watch the entire process on my second channel, Blender Money. I'll be leaving all the links in the description so that you can check that out yourself. But if you want to support me, you can become a Patreon, a tier 3 Patreon, and download the projects. The assets you can just drag and drop into your project, and they should work fine using EV and cycles.